consider this like a DIY video, something different. In this video, I want to show you guys how to make I guess we can say additional boxes to save time, depending on if you don't want to run around everywhere if you have a shipping, because that's what, when someone purchases one of my drawings, yes, I have to run around everywhere. So what I do is either buy a bunch of them already made or get the priority mails. But what I'd like to do for fun is to just get my own boxes. I like to make them because it's funner making them for some reason. So right here, I bought this box, but I opened it up, so I can know, where to trace it, on the big cardboard box that I got at Home Depot. I bought a couple of them. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what to do and what I recommend if you do not want to, run around looking for, something, even though you can find these, at the dollar store or even at, of course, the post office. But if you want it to be lighter and stuff, yeah, then get one of these. Then yeah, I recommend getting one of these and then buying a bunch of big cardboard, a bunch of big things of cardboards, and just trace them out, as you use this, save it, and then just keep doing it.